How to delete Snapchat call history. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete Snapchat call history. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open Snapchat with your account, you will got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. And now from here, you'll have to tap on setting just at the top right corner. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the sections like account actions. So from this section, you'll have to go with the option clear conversation. And now from here, you'll have to choose the person on Snapchat whom you want to clear the conversation. And at the right hand section of that person, you will see a option cross. So simply to delete Snapchat call history, you'll have to tap on that cross option. And now from here you'll have to tap on this clear option, so it will not delete any saved or sent message in your conversation. So simply tap on it. Alright, so like this way you can also delete Snapchat call history on your Snapchat account. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.